Hi kids, today we're going to draw a penguin. Did you know that penguins poop up? In fact, they can project their poop up to 3 feet high. This allows them to keep their nest clean while incubating eggs or raising their baby chicks. I wouldn't want to be near a penguin nest when this happens. Now, we cats don't do that. We prefer to go somewhere quiet and bury our poop. Okay, let's try to draw a penguin. The easiest way I find to draw a penguin is to start with the outside shape. So from the head down to the back, and I leave a space for the wings that we'll draw in later. And we keep going around. We leave a space for the leg and back up to the face, and we also leave a space for the beak. Now, to draw the beak, we start with the top part, then the bottom part, and we add a line inside for the tongue. Now, time to draw a circle for the eye, with a dot inside. Let's do the wings. The one on the right first, where we left that space, and then one on the left side that just extends out like that. And now the little feet. Perfect. And to finish the look, we draw a line between the part of the body that's black and the one that's white. It will make it easier for us when we color it. Now I grab my white crayon and I color in the belly. And then the dark gray or black crown and color the head, back, and wings. With the yellow crayon, I will do the beak and the feet. There! A beautiful penguin! Did you draw one too? I'm gonna start an animal drawing collection, and I already have a bunny and a few others. See you next time for more drawings.